morning, students, and welcome to your English class. Today, we will learn about letter C. Letter C is the next letter after B, and its sound is K. Look at this picture. What do you see in this picture? In this picture, you can see a farm. There is a cow and a cat. Cat is drinking milk and cow is eating carrots. Cow, carrots, cat are friends of C. Do you know some more friends of C? Very good. Cup, camel, cookies, cake are some more friends of C. Children, in this lesson, we learned about a cow and a cat. Do you have a pet cat at home? Can a cat eat carrots? Good job! Cats cannot eat carrots. Look at this picture. How many carrots are on the table? Right. There are 5 carrots. Let's learn to write letter C. Can you see the red dot? Place your pencil on red dot and move it on other dots. It is very easy. Now, practice to write capital and small letter. For more updates, please subscribe our YouTube channel.